frames are called deviation. We will be showing you how to remove and install the lenses. First, you must turn the frame upside down. Next, you must unscrew or loosen the screw, but mind you, you do not need to fully take out the screw. You only need to loosen it. You loosen the screw by turning the screwdriver counterclockwise. Once you have unscrewed part of the screw, you are now able to fully take out the lens. It should pop out very easily. To install it, you must put the lens inside the grooves completely. If needed, you can loosen or tighten the screw. So put the lens inside the grooves completely. No part of the lens should not be inside the groove. Once you have done that, you're now able to tighten the screw by turning the screwdriver clockwise. Once the screw is tightened, you check to see if the lenses are secure by trying to move the lens back and forth. If they do not move, then you have securely fastened the lenses.